How to get your YouTube stream key so that you can stream on your YouTube channel from other applications. So hey guys, if you want to get your YouTube stream key, then you need to follow these simple steps. So the first thing we need to do is open up our YouTube Studio. So if you are currently in your web browser, then you need to head on to your YouTube website, and then in your YouTube website simply click onto the profile picture at the top right, and from here choose the YouTube Studio option. This will lead you to the YouTube Studio website. Then the next thing you need to do is simply click onto this particular button right here, which stands for the Go Live button. Once you click over it, this particular page will open, and since I am first time visiting this page, you need to click onto this Start button right here. And once that will be happen, click on this Go button and you will be landed into this particular interface. Then once you are here, you need to click onto this stream option at the left. Once you click here, you can see that under the stream settings, you can see this stream key. So make sure that this key remains private and that you do not share it with anyone else. So if you want to copy your stream key, simply click onto this copy button and the stream key will be successfully copied, and then you can use it on other applications to stream your content on YouTube. And if anyhow this stream key goes public and you want to change it, so you can use this reset button so that nobody else could stream on your YouTube channel. So that's it for this video. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like, to comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.